Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Bigo Live. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Bigo Live account. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. Unfortunately, there is no method to delete a Bigo Live account. If you want to stop using Bigo Live, you must clear your profile. So open Bigo Live and sign in. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right and tap My Post. Delete every post, liked posts, and even drafts. Now go back and tap Settings. Here tap Notifications. Toggle off every one of the notifications. Now go back again and tap Privacy. Again, toggle off every setting. Finally, tap Logout and tap Sure to confirm. You will no longer receive notifications and your account will be the same as being deleted. And that's how you delete Bigo Live account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.